Let's just solve this question again. Exercise, miscellaneous exercise of chapter 5, class 11th. So if there is one more method, if we take LCM, so 1 minus 4 iota, 1 plus iota, right? So here we'll have 1 plus iota minus 2 bracket 1 minus 4 iota, right? And 3 minus 4 iota divided by 5 plus iota as it is. So 1 minus iota. So 1 minus iota minus 2 plus 8 iota, right, divided by, we'll have 1 multiply 1 is 1, 1 multiply iota is iota, minus 4 iota square, right, multiply by 3 minus 4 iota divided by 5 plus iota, right. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1, minus iota plus 8 iota is plus 7 iota divided by minus 4 iota square is minus 1, so let's write it. So 1 minus 3 iota minus 4 bracket minus 1, right, iota square is minus 1, multiplied by 3 minus 4 iota divided by 5 plus iota, which is equal to minus 1 plus 7 iota divided by 1 plus 4, 5 minus 3 iota multiplied by 3 minus 4 iota upon 5 plus iota, right. So okay, this here 1 plus iota is there, so 1 plus iota, so this will be 1 plus 9 iota and again 1 plus 9 iota, right. Now open the brackets. So minus 1 multiply 3 is minus 3, minus 1 multiply minus 4 is plus 4 iota, plus 27 iota minus 36 iota square divided by 5 multiply 5 is 25 plus 5 iota minus 15 iota minus 3 iota square, right, which is equal to minus 3 plus 27 plus 4 is 31 iota minus 36 minus 1 square, right, minus iota value is minus 1 divided by 25 minus 10 iota minus 3 iota square is minus 1, right. So this will be equal to minus 3 plus 36, so 36 minus 3 is 33 plus 31 iota divided by 25 plus 3 is 28 minus 10 iota, right. Now we can take we can write it 33 plus 31 iota divided by 2 common if we take, so this will be 14 minus 5 iota, right. Now we can rationalize this, 33 plus 31 iota divided by 2, 14 minus 5 iota, 14 plus 5 iota, 14 plus 5 iota, right. So 33 multiplied by 14 will be 462 plus 165 iota plus 434 iota plus 155 iota square divided by 2 bracket 14 square minus 5 iota square, right. So this will be equal to 307 plus, now iota square is minus 1, so minus 155, 462 minus 155 is 307 plus 599 iota divided by, this will be 2 bracket 196 minus 25 iota square, right, iota square. So iota square is again minus 1, 196 minus 25, so it is 196, iota square is minus 1, so 25 multiply minus 1 is minus 25 multiply minus 1 is plus 25, so 196 plus 25 is 221, 221 multiply 2 is 442, so we can say the answer is 307 plus 599 iota divided by 2 bracket 221, which is equal to 307 plus 599 iota divided by 442 upon 442 when we have separated this. So this is the standard form, right? Let's take question number 4th now. Now this is question number 4. The x minus iota y is equal to root of a minus iota b upon c minus iota d. So we have to prove that x square plus y square is equal to this. So x minus iota y, let's rationalize this. A minus iota b, c plus iota d upon c minus iota d, c plus iota d, right? Which will be equal to square root of AC plus iota AD minus iota BC minus iota square BD divided by C square minus iota D whole square. So this will be equal to square root of AC. Now iota square is minus 1. So minus 1 multiplied by minus 1 is plus 1. So AC plus BD minus iota taking common plus iota taking common AD minus BC, right, divided by C square minus iota square is minus 1 multiplied minus is plus D square. So C square plus D square. So AC plus BD. Okay, this is BD, right? BD, it is BD. So AC plus BD plus iota AD minus BC. Now x minus iota y whole square will cancelize this square root. So AC plus BD plus iota AD minus BC divided by, this is BD, divided by C square plus D square, right? So x, we can expand this as x square plus y square minus 2 iota xy is equal to AC plus BD upon C square plus D square plus iota AD minus BC upon C square plus D square, right? So on comparing the real coefficients and imaginary parts, so on comparing real and imaginary numbers, so x square plus y square is equal to AC plus BD divided by C square plus D square. Similarly, minus 2 xy will be equal to AD minus BC upon C square plus D square, right? So now we know that x square plus y square whole square can be written as x square minus y square whole square, right? We have to find out x square. Okay, this was, yes, we are correct, x square minus y square whole square plus 4x square y square, right? If we expand this, this will be x raised to power 4 plus y raised to power 4 minus 2x square y square. So minus 2x square y square plus 4x square y square will be plus 2x square y square, which will be equal to this one ultimately, right? So x square minus, okay, here it was iota square y square. So the iota square is minus 1. So this will be x square minus y square, right? Because iota square is minus 1, iota will also be there. So iota square is minus 1 multiplied plus is minus 1. So x square minus y square. Now x square minus y square value is AC plus BD upon C square plus D square whole square plus square of this will be AD minus BC upon C square plus D square whole square, right? Square of this will be that one. Now taking LCM, now we have to find out the value of this only. Taking LCM, C square plus D square whole square is LCM. AC, so A square C square plus B square D square plus 2AC BD plus A square D square minus B square plus B square C square minus 2AD BC, right? So this from this get cancelled. So that is equal to, Now what is common? Taking a square common. So a square common. So we have c square plus d square plus in these two b square common. So again we have c square plus d square, right? Divided by c square plus d square whole square. So this will be equal to taking c square plus d square common. C square plus d square common. A square plus b square divided by c square plus d square whole square, right? So this from this get cancelled. So answer is a square plus b square divided by c square plus d square. So hence proved. When LHS is equal to RHS, so this we have to prove. So this is question number 4th, right? Next, question number 5 is deleted from the syllabus due to this pandemic effect. Question number 6, solve the equation. So 3x square minus 4x plus 20 upon 3 is equal to 0. So if we rationalize this, if we take LCM, this will be equal to 339x square minus 12x plus 20 divided by 3 will be equal to 0. So 3 when taken there will become 0. Now a we know, b we know, c we know. Just apply the formula x is equal to minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a and get the answer of this question. So this question is exactly similar to 7th also and similarly 8th also. So 9th also you can do using the same formula. So just do it. Next, let's move on to question number 10th. So if z1 is equal to 2 minus iota, comma, z2 is equal to 1 plus iota. So we have to find z1 plus z2 plus 1 divided by z1 minus z2 plus 1, modulus of that. So z1 is this, z2 is this. So just put the value z1 plus z2 plus 1 upon z1 minus z2 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus 2 minus iota plus 1 plus iota plus 1 divided by z1 minus z2. So 2 minus iota minus 1 plus iota plus 1, right? So this will be equal to 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Iota to iota get cancelled divided by 2 minus iota minus 1 minus iota plus 1, right? 4 upon iota 2 minus 1 1 plus 1 2 minus 2 iota, right? So modulus of it. Okay, so this will be if I take 2 common and divide it by 4, so this will be 2 upon 1 minus iota, right? Modulus of this. So let's rationalize that. So this will be equal to 2 upon 1 minus iota 1 plus iota 1 plus iota modulus of it. So 2 plus 2 iota divided by 1 minus iota square, right? So iota square is minus 1 multiply minus is plus. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 from 2 get cancelled. Okay, let's write it. 1 minus minus 1. So 2 from 2 will get cancelled. So this will be equal to 1 plus iota, right? Modulus of it. So 1 plus iota modulus can be written as 1 square plus 1 square, right? A plus iota b modulus is a square plus b square, square root of a square plus b square, which is root 2. So answer will be root 2. So answer of this question is root 2. So this is how we did this question number 10th, right? Now next question is a plus iota b is equal to x plus iota whole square divided by 2x square plus 1. We have to prove that a square plus b square is equal to this figure. So let's find out. This is a question we have already done in this exercise. So let's do in the same manner. Let's expand this. So a plus iota b will be equal to x square plus iota square plus 2x iota divided by 2x square plus 1, which is equal to x square iota square is minus 1 plus 2x iota divided by 2x square plus 1. So on comparing, or this can be written as x square minus 1 upon 2x square plus 1 plus iota bracket 2x upon 2x square plus 1. So on comparing the coefficients, a is equal to x square minus 1 upon 2x square plus 1. Here you can write on comparing the coefficients. Similarly, b is equal to 2x upon 2x square plus 1, right? B is equal to 2x upon 2x square plus 1. So we have to find out the value of a square plus b square. So a square plus b square will be x square minus 1 upon 2x square plus 1 whole square plus 2x upon 2x square plus 1 whole square, right? So taking this 2x square plus, okay, this is 2x square plus 1, right? So taking 2x square plus 1 common, right? Okay, here is one correction in the question. It is 2x square plus 1, right? So taking this 2x square plus 1 common, or LCM, whole square LCM. Now what we will have, x square minus 1. So this will be equal to x raised to the power 4 plus 1 square minus 2x square plus 4x square, right? So which will be equal to x raised to the power 4 plus 1 plus 2x square divided by 2x square plus 1 whole square. So this is what? This can be written as x square whole square plus 1 whole square plus 2x square multiply 1, right, divided by 2x square plus 1 whole square. Now this form we have converted into this form, which can be written as x square plus 1 whole square divided by 2x square plus 1 whole square. So a square plus b square is equal to this. So formulas we have used so far is a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Formulas a plus b whole square. Don't get confused with this a plus b. You can take x, you can take p minus q and p plus q also. P plus q whole square will be p square plus q square plus 2pq, right? These formulas we have used in this question. So this is the answer. Question number 11th, right? So that's all for today's video. In the next video we'll discuss question number 12 and further questions. So thank you for watching it.